friends in Miss Alvarez Bolivar's class. I'm so sorry I can't be with you today, but we're still going to do our lesson. I have just recorded it, so you will probably just need a piece of paper and a pencil and your brain. So we're just going to follow along and do the lesson together. You can do it at your own pace, whatever works best for you. All right, here are the norms. Since you're doing this by yourself, just take a quick look and see how you're going to stay focused. Here's our objective. We can and we will define social problem solving. You're going to use empathy and kindness to tell ways to solve a problem. So the first thing we'll do is define social problem solving. We will look at some scenarios with a book, and then we will close out and you will do a little bit of an assignment. All right, here is our definition of social problem solving. Social problem solving is when you have a disagreement with someone and you find a solution together. So take a look and read through the circle map. We can solve problems by using our words, we can share our feelings, we can understand others' perspective, we can solve problems with kindness, and you can solve problems with your friends and family. So you can pause here and look at that as long as you need to, maybe read it out loud. All right, I am going to read through some questions for the story for you to think about, but then I'm going to attach the story separately. That way you can listen to the story on your own time and you can take your time with it. So here are some questions to think about when we read. What's a problem you recently had with a friend or a family member? How did you solve it? Was everyone happy with that solution? Over here, how is empathy and social perspective taking important to solving problems? Why is it important to listen to understand a problem? So in the story, he talks about listening to understand someone else's point of view, wondering why that's important. So here are some discussion questions that I'm going to have you answer in a document on Google Classroom. Try to use this talk it out approach. So talk about the problem, listen to understand, think of ways to solve it, and choose the best plan. So here are the questions that you're going to be answering. What is a problem that you have had a hard time solving? How can we use the talk it out strategy to solve that problem? And is there a way that we can make everyone involved happy? All right, the last thing are just some questions for you to think about, or you can write down in your document that I've added for you. Why is it important to care about others' ideas and feelings just as much as our own? How do you think that helps us to solve problems? All right, so what you're going to do next is you're going to watch the story, and then last, you'll open up the discussion questions and you will answer those to the best of your ability. Make sure you click turn in so I can see your responses. Have fun!